So unfortunately, my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 broke again. You can probably see a horizontal line on your screen. And I think there's also a vertical line somewhere. I can't see it on the LCD screen. And then there's like a red dot or something along those lines. So it looks like my sensor is broken on my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The unfortunate thing is I bought this camera in Canada and currently I'm in Sri Lanka and they don't have an extended warranty program to repair this sensor, or the DJI Care Refresh doesn't work in Sri Lanka. I do have DJI Care Refresh, but so the warranty or the DJI Care Refresh won't work here in Sri Lanka. The unfortunate thing is this is my second time the camera has broken. The first time was an issue with the LCD screen. When it's in horizontal orientation, it didn't stay. The magnetic thing that holds it in place didn't stay, but that wasn't a big deal because it didn't ruin the video quality. But the video quality now with these horizontal lines, I can't create any vlogs. I did think about putting my face like in the bottom left corner or the bottom right corner and then using the dynamic framing, but then the camera will be like shifting or looking upwards and the angle will just look off, or the perspective will look off. With this being the second camera being broken, luckily this replacement camera, it's still under warranty. But like I said, I can't get it repaired yet, but I did contact DJI customer support and they mentioned, or they informed me I can just file the claim or the repair service request. And once I get back to Canada, I can mail it back. And hopefully they do honor that. But the crappy thing about that is I don't go back to Canada until next year, until at least mid 2027. The other thing I thought about was if I go to another country within Asia, let's say I'm in South Korea or Japan or Hong Kong, maybe I can just file it there if I do end up being there. I travel full time, but then again, I don't know how long this service request will take. My first service request only took about like 2 or 3 business days. It was pretty quick. They just sent me a new camera, which is this one right here. That's because the service center was in the same city from where I mailed the package to DJI with a free shipping label from UPS. And that's another thing. Since I submitted the service request claim, they did send me a UPS label or shipping label, but the shipping label is only valid for 30 days. So hopefully DJI will be able to send me a new shipping label. But yeah, it kind of sucks not being able to fully utilize my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's gonna cut down on my income and my vlogging, but I'm still glad I bought the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 because the video quality is exceptional. Obviously, the camera is still pretty sensitive. I kind of do wish I can just like mail this back from Sri Lanka somewhere and DJI just sends me a new camera. I guess I'll have to wait like at least a year before I can get this replaced, or maybe even in the meantime, I may just buy like an Osmo Pocket 4 or something like that, but that's going to cut into my costs. And then again, the same thing can happen. The Osmo Pocket 4 can break and then I'll have a hard time replacing that while I'm traveling full time. Coincidentally, my uncle, he bought a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 when he was in the Philippines and he has it somewhere downstairs. Like it's for his church. I live above a church or a ministry. So it's to record some of the prayers or the mass or something like that. I can technically use his camera, but then I don't want to have the same problem and his camera get broken. And then I have to deal with that. And of course, like I said, he bought it in the Philippines. I'm not too sure how the standard warranty would work with him buying it in the Philippines and the camera breaks here in Sri Lanka. But yeah, I'm still happy I bought the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, but it kind of sucks with this horizontal and vertical line and this red dot on the sensor, or I guess the sensor is broken. And it would be nice if DJI can just send me a new camera because I'm planning to buy a bicycle and bike around Asia or something along those lines. But anyways, if you guys found this video helpful, you know what to do. And as always, live easy, sleep breezy, stay lovely.